Hello, my name is Jennifer Petit. I'm the Finance Director for the Town of Falmouth. And recently, Standard & Poor's has issued a AAA bond rating for the Town of Falmouth, which is an upgrade from our AA+. And let me just discuss what that means. A bond rating really is a credit rating. So if you look at your personal credit, your highest credit score, this is the highest credit score that the town can obtain from the rating agency. When the town borrows money, we sell municipal bonds, and it goes out to market and people bid on our bonds and they look at our credit rating. So now we have the highest possible credit rating that you can obtain from the rating agency. And when we sell our bonds, that means that we will pay a lower interest than previously at a AA+. As you all may know, that we are going to be building a senior center. We have a $9.5 million borrowing authorization, so we will be able to save on interest for that major capital project. Also, the athletic field has just been approved through a debt exclusion at the election, and so we'll also be able to save, interest in that. A AAA bond rating for a community, it's something the community really should be proud of. Looking at a community with a AAA bond rating, you look at a really good school system, very well managed, strong financial policies, strong charter, and so it's very well governed. And that's what the rating agencies look at, and they look at different factors when they're providing a rating for a community. And also when businesses come to a community, and I think when people move to a community, if it's a AAA community, it's it's because of the things that I discussed, it's well looked at.
Hello, I'm Julian Suso, Falmouth Town Manager, and I'm pleased to be talking today a little bit about the exciting news that the town has recently been given a AAA bond rating from Standard & Poor's, one of the premier rating agencies for municipal bonds. A little bit of history since my arrival as town manager a little over 6 years ago. One of the long-term goals that the Board of Selectmen embraced was an upgrade in the town's bond rating to seek a AAA rating from the AA+ that we had at that time. And actually the AA+ had a negative outlook upon my arrival, given some challenges that the town was experiencing. But we're delighted that our long-term efforts have paid this dividend. We're now among, fewer than one of every 5 municipalities in the Commonwealth have achieved the AAA bond rating, so less than 18%. So we're in fairly rarefied air, and it's a tribute to a number of individuals. First, the Board of Selectmen for steadfastly holding to that goal and supporting me as town manager and the colleagues that I work with in the important efforts to achieve that result.
It affects, the citizens and the taxpayers because we're saving money. It really, in our fiscal policies, it indirectly affects them where we can, again, get more capital projects done and provide a better level of service, if you will, than we already do. Falmouth does provide, I think we all know that, great services to the taxpayers of the town, and so this just creates an opportunity to provide more service and better service.